Afternoon. My name is Priest.
And I'm 337.
Together
We are the recipe.
What we're about to perform is If We Must Die by Claude McKay. Then it's followed by the letter. The letter is a combination of two letters, one written by John Brown, the other one written by John Copland, who also took part in the Harper's Ferry event, and also one of his relatives is our mentor. So we took those two letters and combined them. It's the last two letters they sent out before meeting their maker. So, thank you. Here we go.
The Third Amendment, quartering of soldiers.
If we must die,
let it not be like hogs,
hunted and pinned in an inglorious spot,
making their mock at our cursed lot. If we must die, oh, let us nobly die, so that our precious blood
may not be shed in vain.
Then even the monsters that we defy
shall be constrained
to honor us, though dead. O kinsmen, we must meet the common foe.
Though far outnumbered,
let us
show us
brave, and for their 1,000 blows, deal one death blow.
What though lies before us, the open grave?
Like men,
we will fight
the murderous,
cowardly
pack, pressed to the wall, dying,
but fighting back. I am.
It is true.
So situated at present
as scarcely to know how to commence writing.
Not that my mind is filled with fear,
or that it has become sheltered in view of my near approach to death.
Not that I'm terrified by the gallows,
which I see staring me in the face,
and upon which soon I am to stand.
But after such death,
pray for the dead,
and fight like hell for the living.
Could I die in a more noble cause? Could I die in a manner?
And for a cause, which would induce true and honest men more to honor me, and angels readily to receive me.
Last night,
for the last time,
I beheld the moon as it filled darkness with soft, pleasant light,
which caused thrills of joy
to all those in like circumstances as myself.
this morning,
for the last time,
I beheld the glorious sun of yesterday.
rising in the far-off east,
I will take my pen for the last time to write you
who were bound to me
by those strong ties
the ties of blood.
and relationship. I am well in both body and mind,
I believe not only myself,
but also my 3 comrades are prepared to meet our God. I am only leaving a world filled with sorrow
to enter one lasting day of happiness and bliss.
God in his mercy has spoken peace into my soul.
All my numerous sins are now forgiven me,
I have everything to gain,
and nothing to lose by the change.
hanged at the scaffold of freedom. For human freed,
His death of a great champion.
his soul goes marching on.
His soul is marching on.
I enter the field to fight for the freedom of American people, not white men alone, both black
And white.
Crispus Attucks was the first to give his life fighting for American independence.
It's assured by whites
Blacks would receive an equal share of the benefits,
as inheritance.
but we were treacherously deceived, leading me, John Copland,
And me, John Brown.
dying for freedom as a result of Harper's Ferry.
The beginning of our war to be civil over evil.
Is the moral of this story. John Brown's body lies moldering in the grave. Him and John Copland captured Harper's Ferry in an attempt to free the slaves. Hanged as traitors.
Martyred like our Savior.
When will we, as people, learn to govern our own behaviors?
Thank you.